Well, here I am, as you know, outside the Royal Courts of Justice in London, and I'm actually here to support Noel Willcox. What I want to do now is just bring him on for a quick chat and let you know exactly what happened today. Right, we're outside the Royal Courts with Noel. We've just come out of the hearing. As you know, all of you that have followed it for all of this time, I think the best thing to do is find out from Noel exactly what happened. So shoot, my friend.
Well, we're not with a very quick analogy, to sum things up. The working class simply cannot get access to justice. We're at the Royal Courts of Justice. Transport for London have basically argued that if the declaration is granted, it will cause them such significant problems in terms of millions in refunds of auto pay charges. And the judge today was just not willing for this to go to a hearing, to a trial, so that the evidence can be heard. I'm absolutely matter of fact regarding the evidence. Yeah, I'm abundantly clear with the evidence. These signs do not give drivers the correct information. We had an adjudicator's decision where he wasn't satisfied that the low emission zone signs were lawful or authorised back in 2021. Transport for London, what did they do? Continue charging motorists.
That's right.
They've continued to charge motorists. So today, I need to go back to the drawing board. Today was obviously a massive disappointment. I've had a lot of support. Loads of people have been getting behind me. But, this is, for me now, got to go back to the drawing board, think about where I go from here. And I kind of knew that this was going to happen today when I saw the submissions that were submitted to the court, where basically they had stated that this was going to affect millions of people. And the judge was just not willing for that evidence to be heard.
Yeah, I mean, the impression I got, they tried to get a bit technical with you being a litigant in person and send it down a judicial review route instead of...
Exactly. I mean, this has just been overcomplicated. It's a simple question. Do these signs meet the legal requirements? Yes or no? It's just a simple question. And you would think that that's very, very simple, but this has been overcomplicated. It's been battered all around the place. I've had a lot of, what would be the word here? A lot of bullying, a lot of institutional bullying. I am a litigant in person. I'm representing myself. And a lot of legal jargon was thrown at me today regarding court procedure rules and administration and so many different things. Let's just keep it really, really basic. The rule of law states that that law should be easy and accessible for everybody. Well, I learned today that that's not correct.
Absolutely not. Speaking as a taxi driver, every time I go to Heathrow Airport, I see that sign, ULEZ, and it tells you nothing else.
It's just an acronym, isn't it?
Sums up everything you want to know about this case. It's wrong.
It is wrong, but what they're arguing is that the Department for Transport has given them all of this authorisation to do this and to do that, but it doesn't quite work that way. And it took me a lot of mapping this together. I think currently at the moment, I'm up to something like about 1,400 hours that I have spent on this. And this has come at a significant cost to me, to my business, and it's not been easy. There's a lot of stress that's been involved. The build up to the court case, the last week or so, you don't sleep right. I'm going into an environment that is completely unfamiliar territory to me.
Absolutely. Well, Noel, I wish you all the best. As you know, everyone on the channel wishes you all the best, as you're fully aware. And keep us posted. Thank you very much.
Take care.